Thanks for joining me for a little demo on how to get our application up and going for your charity event. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go into the App Store on your phone. I have an Apple iPhone. I'm going to do a search on TD Scan. The App Store is going to come up. It's going to say, oh, I think you mean this TD Scan and Scoring app, and that is absolutely what you're looking for. So when it comes up, first thing you're going to see is an advertisement. Please don't install the advertisement, okay? So the second item is TD Scan and Scoring. So I've already got it downloaded on my system, and I'm going to open it. You'll see something similar in the Android App Store if you're an Android user. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open it up. Now, one thing that happens is the first time you run it, it's going to say, hey, do you want to allow the application to send you notifications? Please say allow or okay or yes or whatever the exact term is. So allow that. Then you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see scan. There will be a sheet of paper on your golf cart, and that sheet of paper will have a big QR code. It'll have a name of your event. It'll have your team name. It should have your starting hole as well. So go ahead and hit scan and point the camera of the application at the QR code that's on your system, on your golf cart. Okay, and once you do that, it'll go out to our system, it'll pull your scorecard down, and there you've got it, okay? So as you can see, I've already been doing some demos on it. I've got 3 scores entered. Let's just show you how to enter a 4th. You select whatever hole you've just finished. You hit the button to open it up. You get a little information about the hole if you want it. Assuming we have that. If we don't have it, you don't get the information. So this is a par 4, so let's say that you made a 3 on it. You hit save, and then you go on to the next hole, okay? Or let's say you hit 3 and you really meant to hit a 4. You can go back, you can update the score, you can hit save, and then you just go on to the next hole. So you can scroll up, you can see that you've got 4 scores entered. You were even on hole 4, you were 1 under on hole 5, you were 1 under on hole 6, and you were even on hole 7. That just shows that basically you've got a score in here. So that's the basics of the scoring part of the application. Then you can go to, there's the player discussion part, or some people like to call it the trash talk part. Okay, so you select the talk, you acknowledge that you're responsible for your input. You select whatever player you are, and now you are in our player commentary section. Okay, there's a little plus sign up at the top right hand corner. You can type something in this case we're going to say this is a comment. You're going to hit save, and then you're going to go on to the next hole. You will get a list of the commentary that's in here. This is comment 2. Okay. So there's that. You can see that in here. You can see obviously the most recent comments are up at the top, and can scroll down. If at any time you say something, you say, hey, I said this wrong, whatever, I can go back in, I can delete it, and then you can go back and you can enter the most recent, you can make sure you input your correct comment as well. I'm going to go ahead and just delete these. You can go back to the scoring. So this is a fairly easy system to use. Thank y'all for using this at your event, and I hope you have a very good day. Thank you.